Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kindera, and today I brought words about Chile. But we have already learned these words, so we're going to remember some words to see how much we have learned during this unit. Before remembering the words, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Chile, My Country, and it's now circled in blue. Now we're going to start reading where the arrow is pointing. Remember, we always read from left to right and up and down. As I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in red, so pay attention. Okay, let's go. Chile, my country. Chile, my country, is thin and long. Here is where I belong. In the north, the Atacama Desert. In the south, volcanoes and forests. In the center is Santiago. Come and visit with other tourists. In the west, the Andes Mountains. In the east, the Pacific Ocean. For my country and my flag, I have such a big devotion. Okay, so now that we have read the poem, we're going to remember the words. I'm going to say the word once, and then I am going to count it to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say the word together. Ready? Let's go. North. 1, 2, 3. North. Center. 1, 2, 3. Center. South. 1, 2, 3. South. Atacama Desert. 1, 2, 3. Atacama Desert. Andes Mountains. 1, 2, 3. Andes Mountains. Pacific Ocean. 1, 2, 3. Pacific Ocean. Forest. 1, 2, 3. Forest. Volcano. 1, 2, 3. Volcano. Flag. 1, 2, 3. Flag. Okay, so now that we have remembered the words, we're going to read the poem one more time. Chile, my country. Chile, my country, is thin and long. Here is where I belong. In the north, the Atacama Desert. In the south, volcanoes and forests. In the center is Santiago. Come and visit with other tourists. In the east, the Andes Mountains. In the west, the Pacific Ocean. For my country and my flag, I have such a big devotion. Okay, so now we're going to play a little game, okay? I'm going to say a word and you're going to try to guess which word I am saying by pointing at the flashcards. Okay, so I am going to say the word volcano. Very good, girls. That is the word volcano. Now, I am going to say the word Atacama Desert. Which flashcard is the Atacama Desert? That one. Very good, girls. Okay, so now I am going to say the word north. Which flashcard is north? That one. Excellent. Very good, girls. Now I am going to say the word flag. Which flashcard is the flag? That one. Excellent. Very good, girls. Now I am going to say the word Andes Mountains. Which flashcard are the Andes Mountains? That one. Very good. Now I am going to say the word south. Which flashcard is the south? Excellent, girls. Very, very good. Okay, and now I'm going to say the word Pacific Ocean. Which one is the Pacific Ocean? Excellent, very good. And now I'm going to say the word forest. Which one is the forest? Excellent, very good. The forests that are in the south, right? Very good, girls. And finally, I'm going to say the word center. Which flashcard is the center? Excellent, girls. You did really, really good. I hope that you had fun and a big kiss for everybody. Bye bye.